Now this is the code for reading those objects that we stored in the previous demo, in the previous video, out off of disk. So we stored them out to disk, and now we're going to read them back in this code. So this time, instead of object output stream, you see that we're using object input stream. And once again, apart from the change to having object here, instead of just saying input stream, we say object input stream. Apart from that, this is the same as what you saw earlier when we read those names and scores from disk. So we're still reading a UTF right here. We're still reading a double right here. So that's old news. You saw that before. But this is new. Now we're going to read an object from disk. So we're going to do an input.read object to get the stored java.util.date off of the disk that we stored there in the previous demo. So again, we're getting a name, a score, and something new, a date object. And then we're printing them all out in this line here. So we're going to see the name and the score and the date. So why don't we just go ahead and run that demo. So remember, we've already created the file, so those three things, name, score, and date, are already out there waiting for us to read back in. We run the demo, and I'm going to bring this into view. So the demo ran, and it printed out John 85.85, and that's familiar. You saw that already in a previous demo, but look here. We have a date object, so with a timestamp and everything, and that was stored on disk as a Java object, and now it's being read back in as a Java object. And that then demonstrates the use of the object input stream and object output stream.